Xiaomi 12 Lite review. We are facing to a 4-star smartphone academic to the moment and after a cursory glance at its specs. This Xiaomi 12 Lite review looked like it could be another form of OnePlus Nord CE2 and the Oppo Find X5 Lite to the Redmi Note 12, 11 Pro 5G and so many more good but not great. Android phone out right now when everything good enough, nothing really stand out. So what does Xiaomi do help its 12 Lite edge ahead? For started, it covers basic slinky design available in fancy colors, smooth AMOLED screen, tech and very fast charging. In display fingerprint scanners, it got them all a but so do a lot of other best phone on a market. However, with one of the most smallest battery we have seen on 2022 smartphone, not to mention Xiaomi historical bloated UI can 12 Lite best the rest. Xiaomi 12 Lite review price and availability. Right now the Xiaomi 12 Lite has been announced for the global release but not specific region have been confirmed. One thing we do know however it does that the phone come in three colors and with three memory capacities starting at $399 roughly $330 for 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage version and this pack should offer good enough performance for a most casual smartphones user. There is also a $449 roughly $375 version with some extra RAM, 8 GB as well as 128 GB storage for a serious multitasker. Finally, the precious Xiaomi 12 Lite cost $499 roughly $415 has 8 GB RAM matched with 256 GB storage, perfect for app and file folder. In the past Xiaomi experience, initial price has been very optimistic. The Xiaomi 12 Pro launched as $999 with our it review arrived in the UK. It cost local significantly more at $1049. Now subscribe this channel, watch technical and press the bell icon. Xiaomi 12 Lite design. Safe but stylish design, the Xiaomi 12 Lite look like a slender slice with its curvy corner and a flat slides front and back. Lot of phones share similar styling and iPhone 13, X8 and Oppo Reno 4Z 5G and the Xiaomi 12 Lite's frosted finish add richness to the touch. Plastic there are Gorilla Glass screen and a glass back. The Xiaomi A12 Lite doesn't feel like a top-end phones, but it doesn't feel cheap either. The flat sides are easy to grip and no frosty back feels luscious to the touch albeit slippers and a phone is lightweight and thin at just 175 gram and 7.3 mm respectively that just 1 kg lighter and 1 double M thinner than an iPhone 13 consistent. The front of the 12 Lite is all screen with satisfying with the bracing framing and it a punch hole selfie camera center at the top, the USB-C port at the base alongside a speaker, SIM slot and a button is on the right hand side screen facing. Unlikely Apple, Samsung, Sony, Xiaomi ships are charging bricks and cable in the box. Handy given in 12 Lite phones, spot the brand properties and the 67-watt fast charging. There is a lot of soft plastic case to keep it safe and pre-installed screen protectors. With mild range and Xiaomi phones doesn't expect on official IP water and dust resistant rate. If you like the Xiaomi 12 Lite pictures in a review, it is the light green color option and it also available in black and light pink. All three sports and the same diffuse matte back with the glister and the player posture richness when it catches the light just right. Xiaomi 12 Lite review display. Xiaomi has a great shipping rich, smooth, punchy display on affordable phones, and Xiaomi 12 Lite continue the trendy with gusto, and its screen is big enough for the comfortable sweeping and watching, but not too much of a stretch. 6.55 inches with AMOLED screen technology matched with credentials that we wouldn't always expect at the price. HDR10 Plus and the Dolby Vision, the phone shows off content with pizzas. Thanks to the smooth 112 Hz refresh rate, you can dual up to and down manually. Everything look fluid when reading through the software. Instagram or T3.com, the touch sampling rate of 240 Hz means 12 Lite is responsive to it, great for gaming. Xiaomi 12 Lite review cameras. Just like the Vivo V21 5G, and Xiaomi 12 Lite is going after selfie lover with the highest spec for a front camera, sporting a 32 megapixels resolution and f2.45 lens. The camera secret selfie weapons and autofocus missing for the most front cameras. The two LED lights subtle tucked away in the screen bezels. The Xiaomi 12 Lite main triple camera setup consisting of 108MP main camera with f1.9 lens and 8MP ultra wide camera with f2.2 lens and 120-degree field of view and 2MP macro camera. The main camera on the Xiaomi 12 Lite is the same greatest 108MP sharp shooter Xiaomi shipping on the excellent Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro in 2021. Results are very similar with stack and the detailed but heavy-handed processor. The camera is relatively quick to fire up and take photo, is a snappy to boost plus Xiaomi load. It follows shooting modes. When shooting is auto mode, photo are down slab sample for 108MP down to 12MP. It dialing back the resolution, Xiaomi boost contrast and the saturation to make sure your snap on Instagram ready, but it loses both object and shadow detail in a process. Xiaomi 12 Lite review performance. The Xiaomi 12 Lite features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset, which is one of those processors that was powerful enough the most and but still relatively power efficient, able to navigate through your daily tasks without any waiting. The only time we noticed the phone had to catch his breath was we power it up. It took a time for a minute of our app to populate on screen. Once it was fired up through the 12 light handed multiple app and gave with no issue. The phone 128GB storage will be enough for many given the fact there is micro SD camera expansion if you think you might fill it up. OTP and for the higher capacity 256GB version, especially with app and gaming taking up more storage ever and impact along with the whopping 15.28GB. Xiaomi 2 Lite review battery and charging. With its 4300 mAh battery, Xiaomi 12 Lite given us a heavy GBs, and this is one of the lowest capacity batteries we have seen on Android phone in a long time. As how long the battery lived, despite the size, performance was not as bad as we anticipate. If you don't mind setting the screen refresh rate is 60 Hz, you can easily get through the fully day with around 20% of power remaining on the battery, and the benchmark the phone displayed 80% after a respectable 14 hours on screen on time. There is no wireless charging. Xiaomi 12 Lite doesn't power up quickly with 67 watt charging, taking it 0 hour 100% in around 40 minutes. Xiaomi 12 Lite review verdict. The Xiaomi 12 Lite is not perfect, but it could still is one of the best G phone of 2022. It looked great, the brilliant bright and the punchy screen, it camera on a front and back to find soap and the phone price. Now subscribe this channel, watch technical and press the bell icon.